Hi friends, this is my first unboxing. This is a smoked salmon from Alaska, and this was given to me by one of my friends who came here from Alaska. And they also brought me a I Love New York t-shirt, which is this one. Yeah, a shirt. I'm not sure about the size. Let's open this. It's a nice box. So yeah. Nice packaging. Bon appetit from all of us. I just opened it and let's see what's inside. So that's a little. It has a lot of oil. One big piece of salmon. So let's try the salmon. I'll try it. And this one is a Copper River Seafood Smoked Alaska River Salmon. This is another salmon. This is also from Alaska. So let us open this one. I just opened this container and that's what's inside. Like smaller flakes, not like the other one in the box. It's dry. I don't think there's any. There's some oil, so I'll put some oil. There's some oil in here, so I'll put a little bit of oil. Yep. So for the taste test,